What's going on, YouTube? My name's Bert, and this is Mississippi Guns. Today we got a 20-inch concrete flat saw blade. I cut concrete for a living, and I just wanted to see if some of my guns would make it through this concrete blade. So I'll let y'all take a look at it here in a second. This is what we're going to be trying to shoot through. I got a couple different guns we're going to try out and see what makes it through. Alright, so first off we have a Rossi chambered in 22 long rifle. Y'all look at that. I'm fairly certain it is not gonna go through. Shoot at an angle. Shake it with the case. Oh. Well, you can see where I hit it. Let's take a look. Alright, so that's where I hit it right there. It didn't dent it at all. Well, you can feel a slight little dent, but mostly just knocked the rust off of it. Let's try something bigger. Alright, we're gonna try a 12 gauge this time. This is my Hatfield single shot breakdown. The thing I love the most about this gun is it folds up like that. Everything else about this gun kind of sucks. It's super light, so it kicks like a mule, and the trigger is super hard. But this gun's $100 brand new, so I got it just to get it. So, but we got 2 3/4 bird shot. Put my earplugs in. I don't think the bird shot's gonna make it through either. Well, we knocked it down, but we definitely hit it. Let's go see what happened. So, you can see all the little pellets hit it, but it didn't do nothing at all. It just knocked some rust off, but other than that, she's perfectly fine. Now we have my Smith & Wesson 38 revolver. We got these Hornady rounds. Let me get you a little closer view. I think this is going to put a pretty good sized dent in it, but I believe it's still going to be okay. I don't think it's going to go through. Lost my earplugs. Hold on. Alright, got plugs in. See what happens. Well, we hit it. You can see right there where we hit it. This is the 22. This was the 38. It didn't dent it. Nothing in the back. So let's try something a little bit bigger. Alright, now we have the Celtic Sub 2000. It's chambered in 40. Full metal jacket. Not a hollow point. Being the 38 didn't do too much to it, I believe this one ain't gonna do much either. We might actually get a dent this time, but penetration, I'm very doubtful of. I'll take this cable down. We got her wiggling. Let's go see what happened. Alright, so here's 22, 38, and there's the 40. Now that is a dent. You know, and all this is birdshot. Now that's a pretty good sized dent. Got a big old bulge in the back. But, I mean, somebody shot at you with a 40. You throw a saw blade up and be okay. Anything bigger, you may not be though. But we're going to find out. Alright. Next up is 45 ACP Tisa 1911 full metal jackets. Show it to y'all. The camera focus, there you go. Just fair warning, if y'all get a Tisa, that little thing right there, if you go to slap the clip in, the magazine, it will hurt. Just giving y'all a heads up. I found out the hard way. 45 ACP. Let's go check it out. I believe we did some damage. Alright. This was the 22, the 38. That was the 40 with the big old bulge. But the 45 ACP did not. It barely dented it. There's a slight, I mean, you can't even, a slight bulge in the back. That kind of surprised me a little bit, to be honest with you. I thought the 45 ACP was going to at least dent it like the 40. But, I guess because the 40 had a longer barrel, maybe it helped it out a lot more. I don't know, that's pretty, I thought that was pretty interesting, because honestly, I thought that the 45 was going to do more than the 40. That's pretty cool. Let's try another one. See if we can make it through. Alright, we're going to go back to 12 gauge. This time I got my Browning pump action. This was actually my first gun. My dad got it for me when I was like 13, 14, somewhere up in there. And out of all the guns I got, this gun is my favorite. Back when I was a kid, you didn't see a rabbit, squirrel, bird, nothing in like 2-mile radius of my house, of my mama's house. I was shooting everything. Growing up now, not killing all the animals around, but I've always loved shooting this gun. This has always been my favorite gun. So, and my dad got it for me, and he's passed away. So this gun means more to me than any of the rest of them guns. This is my favorite. So, but we got a double aught buck. It ain't gonna go through. I'm fairly certain. But it's gonna do more damage than the bird shot. So if I can find these earplugs. I like these little earplugs. I picked them up from Academy. They're I'm gonna show them to y'all. Put that right there. Bought these things at Academy. They're 9mm shell casings. I didn't even go in there for earplugs, and I spotted them, so I said, well, you know, I can't pass them up. They're not the best, because sometimes they will wiggle their way out a little bit, but so I can't use them at work. I tried, but for shooting, you know, if you feel them wiggle out, you just push them in a little bit, they're fine. But I wouldn't recommend, if you cut concrete, to try these, because they don't work so great. But 12 gauge, double aught buck. Throwing at the concrete saw blade. Aim. Alright, well, we got a hit. We knocked the whole log off this time. That hit hard. So check it out. Haven't got the blade set up yet, but I just want to show y'all this. Where's it at? Right there. That is stuck. Is a piece of one of the bullets. I'm not sure which one. The buckshot had steel shot, so, and this is a copper jacket. So I'm not sure which one it was from. Maybe my best guess would probably be the 45, maybe. But I'm gonna pick this blade up. Put y'all down for a second. You can see where it hit it. I mean, it put some dents in her. Look, there's a little piece of a BB. I believe that's from the buckshot. It's just flattened. But 40, 45, 22, 38. Bird shot just covered most of the thing, but the buckshot all hit right here, and it's not dented like the 40, But it's got some dents in it. And the bulges in the back. Trying to make sure y'all can see that. Let's see. I don't think y'all can see the bulges, but that sucker is, it's all warded up. But that's pretty good. So we got a couple more. I believe we're gonna make it through with the next one, but we're gonna find out. So up to this point, if you got shot with a 22 all the way up to a 12 gauge double aught buck, you'd be okay. Alright, now we have my Palmetto State Armory AK-47 chambered in 7.62 by 39. Show y'all the bullet. It's a full metal jacket. I believe this is gonna make it through. I got the one with the folding stock. So it's not an earplug. I believe this one's gonna make it through. Cause this bullet is cooking it. Now, safety. Can't chamber around when the safety's on. I'm gonna try to get some fresh meat. Oh yeah. I really think that one got through. Oh yeah. She made it through this time. I'm talking. Lean through. Look at that, a hole. That sucker. She went through. So 7.62 by 39. You would not be okay to hide behind a saw blade. I mean, look at that. Choo. Almost put another shit. I could have put it over here, put a shear pin hole in it. But we got one more we're gonna try out. Fairly certain it's gonna get through it too. If not, it's gonna make a pretty big dent in it. Alright, up next is my lever action Henry 4570 government. Now this sucker packs a punch. I mean, I really think it's gonna knock a hole in him. We're shooting let's camera focus. There we go. This is a 405 grain round. There's a 7.62 compared to the 4570. I mean, this is a round, son. If it don't get through it, I'm gonna be a little disappointed, honestly. But we're gonna find out. 4570. This is saw blade. I love this gun. Face it the other way. Go check it out. Alright, so here it is. It smacked it pretty hard. I mean, that's the biggest bulge. It almost come through, but there's the 12 gauge. 22, 38, 45, 40. The 7.62 by 39. So yeah, that I didn't miss. It just, wow. It just shows you how fast that 7.62 by 39's moving. I mean, that 45-70 is just a big, heavy round. Got some knockdown power, but it ain't as great for penetrating. I'm a little discouraged. I kind of thought that it was gonna go through. Alright, well, that's it for today's video. The 7.62 by 39, it won up against the saw blade. So, but everything else just couldn't make it through. But I want to thank y'all for watching. If you like my video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. My name's Bert, and this was Mississippi Guns. I'll see y'all later.